Hey guys, it's Crazy Gamer 12. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be making a video of the ceiling fan in my cousin's bedroom. Don't know what brand it is. However, it's an interesting looking fan, and it's in my cousin's room. So I'm just going to give a brief demonstration of it, and that's really about it. So let's go ahead and do it. Sorry, I'm just starting off with the light. It works. It's got 3 daylight CFLs. And the blades are reversible from white to wood. The white side is obviously down. Now for the fan, we're going to start off with low. Okay. This fan does buzz a little bit. It has some vibration issues. Alright. It's low. Next for medium speed. Oops. Trying to balance myself. And the bearings do make some noise. And now for high. It doesn't go much faster than this, but alright. I'll show it to you running with the light. I'll turn it off by the switch. Anyways, that's about it. That is the 52-inch ceiling fan in my cousin's bedroom. Unknown branded fan, I don't know what it is. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you happen to like it, just leave a like down below, and we'll see you guys next time.